Imagine if your body could be burning fat all day, every day, even when you're just going about your normal routine or even sleeping. It sounds too good to be true, right? But the truth is, by understanding how your metabolism really works, you can create an environment in your body that supports fat burning 24/7. Today, I'm gonna be breaking down how to turn your metabolism into a fat burning machine. Stick around to the end because I have a bonus tip at the end that's easy to add to your routine and it's gonna be game changer for helping you reach your weight loss goals. And if you're looking for easy recipes to help you stay on track, I have some free guides for you as well. I'm here to tell you that this isn't just a theory. It's real and I've seen it firsthand. I was almost 200 pounds at age 13. I got down to 90 pounds and I had my whole journey. I spent 8 years building my metabolism from 500 calories up to 5,000 to 6,000 a day. I was powerlifting, I put on all the muscle, and I dropped in a sustainable way 50 pounds in 9 months, maintaining all my lean muscle mass. Over my journey, I had obstacles, I had chronic hormone imbalances, thyroid issues, you name it. I spent years studying metabolic science and have my 4-year degree in kinesiology, CSCS. I'm a holistic nutrition consultant and a certified GAPS practitioner. And I worked with over 1,000 women, so many women just like you who felt the same way, doing everything right, but just weren't seeing those results. One of my clients, Sarah, who came to me, was so frustrated. She's been cutting her calories, doing the fasting, doing cardio every day, and yet the fat just wasn't budging. We applied this framework that I'm gonna be sharing with you today, and within a few weeks, she was losing inches, feeling more energized than she has had in years, and she's in her 40s. And this framework helped her metabolism work with her, not against her, to where her cravings went away. She felt less inflamed. She saw that muscle definition come in. So here's what I'm gonna be breaking down for you today. The first thing is what factors play a role into all day fat burning. The second is why each of these factors is crucial for fat loss and metabolic health. I'm going to be going through a complete overview of how this framework works so that you can start applying it today to see permanent results with your fat loss, and how each component supports 24/7 fat burn and keeps your body at an optimal fat burning state. And finally, what you can expect if you implement these key strategies. Let's dive right in. So what are the key components that can keep your body in a fat burning state all day? I'm gonna go through a brief overview, but don't worry about it. I'm gonna take you through afterwards a complete breakdown with full examples so that you're able to understand it, see if it relates within your life, and then I'm gonna give you tips to overcome each of these and achieve your results. The first one is our basal metabolic rate. This is our BMR, and this is essentially the calories you are burning at rest. The second one is our thermic effect of food, also known as our TEF, and this is the calories that we actually burn through digesting certain foods. The third one is our non-exercise activity thermogenesis. This is our NEAT. This is crucial. This is such a big overlooked component that I'm gonna be diving into, so make sure you stay tuned to the end. And it's the small daily movements that add up throughout our day. And then the fourth one is our carb timing and muscle maintenance. And this is key to really help regulate your hormones like insulin, which plays a role in fat storage and fat burning, especially for my women 30 plus. And each of these 4 factors really contributes to your overall metabolism, calorie burn, and they're the foundation of a balanced, sustainable approach to weight loss. That is the key word. Why are these elements so crucial? Often when people struggle with fat loss, it's because they're simply overlooking one or more of these key areas. They might be focusing solely on reducing just their calories or bumping up their cardio, which I see so many women just focusing on those 2 key components, without thinking about muscle maintenance, our food quality, or even the fidgeting and daily movement that we're gonna dive into. When we only focus on one area, our bodies adapt. Then fat loss slows down or even stalls. A little example of this is if you go and you cut all your calories low, you're gonna initially see results, but then your metabolism is going to adapt. That will become your new maintenance. And then where do you go from there? Gotta add more cardio or cut more. It's the same thing. I see so many women overdo intermittent fasting to where they see results in the beginning and they're like, why am I not seeing these results anymore? Why do I feel like I'm stuck? And then where do we go from there? This framework that I'm gonna be sharing with you helps you work with your metabolism across multiple areas, so you're not just relying on willpower or extremes. Instead, you're creating sustainable habits that keep your body in that fat burning mode naturally. Let's dive into the science of each step. The first one we're gonna start with is gonna be our BMR and muscle maintenance. As you may know, muscle is more metabolically active than fat. And the more muscle that you have, the higher your BMR, that basal metabolic rate, will be. So even a pound of muscle can increase your daily calorie burn. So strength training is one of the most effective ways to support long-term fat loss. And I wanna give a little example because I see so many women 30 plus, we're doing these low carb diets. We're doing all this intermittent fasting where we're on one meal a day. We're not getting enough protein in and not enough nutrition and calories to support our body. And then we're stressed out doing tons of cardio and not prioritizing the strength training. And what happens is that when we're in midlife, especially women 30 plus, perimenopause, it is 5 to 10 years where you're losing muscle at a rate of 40 to 50% faster. Your body and your hormones are changing. So if you are putting your body in a place to where it's gonna not have that muscle maintenance, where you're gonna be losing it more with the over-exercising, not sleeping enough, that's for human growth hormone, all of that, you're not gonna see the results you're looking for, and you may feel more inflamed, more cravings, more run down. And this is something I see on a daily basis when I do my discovery calls. And if you're struggling with that, head over to my case studies playlist. I highly recommend you will go watch some of those women's videos. I post new ones every single month on how I've helped all my clients lose 5 to 40 pounds in 90 days, and they had Hashimoto's, thyroid issues, they were on carnivore, doing all the things, and it's sustainable for them now. The second one is gonna be our thermic effect of food. Foods, especially protein, have a higher thermic effect, meaning your body is burning more calories to digest them. For example, protein has a 20% thermogenic effect on food. So you are burning 20% of those calories to break it down. And this means that just by including high quality protein into your meals, you're increasing your calorie burn without no extra effort. And what I do wanna say is when I create my meals, please focus on whole food quality protein. I know we have busy lifestyles, but we don't just want to be having a shake, 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 a bar, bar, bar. I have a whole recipe playlist with tons of recipes, and I even have a 3-part series you can type in on my channel, Healthy Food Swaps, with so many different ideas. And I even made a whole ebook called Healthy Food Swaps with a ton of different alternatives that help me lose the weight and keep it off when I was like really addicted to sugar and Krispy Kreme donuts and all the things prior. It cuts out the confusion. So I'll put my Healthy Food Swaps ebook below for you, and then check out on my YouTube again that playlist and my recipe playlist as well. But simply have each meal at least a palm full of protein, 4 to 6 ounces, high quality protein. Balance your meals with some carbs and some fats so that we're able to stabilize your blood sugar levels while supporting this effect that we're getting from the thermic effect of food. The third one is our NEAT, our non-exercise activity thermogenesis. And this is a fun one. You are gonna wanna hear this. So small movements like standing up more, walking, even fidgeting, that's what our NEAT is made out of. And this can add up to hundreds of calories per day and as much as 2,000 calories between individuals, depending on how much they're fidgeting and moving. And it's such a powerful tool, really overlooked, and an easy way to stay active without going to the gym. This is what people don't know though, is that when we're on a caloric deficit or extreme one, and then we're not sleeping good, you name it, your body is smart. It starts to adapt. You don't even realize it, is you're moving less, You're keeping your water at your table. You're parking closer. You're not moving much with your arms when you're talking, and you end up burning less calories. You start hitting a fat loss stall, then you bump up your cardio, you cut your calories more when they're already so low, and then you're moving less and you're working harder, not smarter. And so many women come to me doing this. I had to throw it out there. It's not just about cutting the calories, doing more cardio. We have to look at such a holistic, more broad, or such a bigger picture of what's going on, and look at the individual versus just what, hey, cut your calories equal fat loss. It's not that simple sometimes. And then the fourth one is gonna be our carb timing. And timing carbs, especially around our activity, really helps prevent insulin spikes when your body doesn't need it. And it really encourages your body to tap into your fat stores for energy at other times throughout the day. So what I really love to do is I do around 30% of my carbs pre-workout, 30% post. I have a great video pre and post workout nutrition on my channel for you guys as well. Just type it in. You could basically type any gut issue or hormone issue or recipe, and it's gonna come up because I have like 700 videos here for you. And structure those carbs around your meal. I tell my clients to create the balance. So if there's more of a sweet treat that they enjoy to have, like keep it around that training, you know, find your balance with it, and then you can have your nice dinner, you know. It's not about restriction. It's not about deprivation. It's about having a complete balance. And ask yourself this: what you're doing with your diet, your nutrition, your training right now, is it sustainable 5 years, 10 years from now? Because if not, your results are not going to be. The goal is not to get to that lean body and feel horrible. The goal is to actually feel amazing and be able to achieve permanent weight loss. And that's the key. Check out that case studies playlist. That's what it explains. So what happens if you start applying this framework? When I see clients of mine shift from this whole perspective of just the calories in, the calories out, what diet they need to follow, if it's keto, low carb, and start looking at more of this holistic view of our stress, our sleep, our gut, our hormones, we've got thyroid issues, and we start making more of a sustainable approach to this, what I see is, number one, I see clients lose 5 to 40 pounds eating more food, building their metabolism, but they achieve higher energy levels because they're fueling their body in a way that keeps energy more stable. What you see is steady, sustainable fat loss, because this approach really creates more of a what you'll see is you're getting higher energy levels because you're fueling your body in a way that's giving you the energy throughout your day to keep your metabolism active, to train hard, to recover better. You start seeing sustainable fat loss versus just a yo-yo back and forth because you're creating, a steady caloric burn, which means consistent, sustainable results. More improved muscle definition, less inflammation. So it's not just about losing weight, it's the body composition changes that we're gonna be benefiting from this. And if we just keep focusing on that calories in, the calories out, cutting the calories more and more and more, your body's gonna keep adapting to it. You're gonna throw off your leptin, your ghrelin, which is your hunger and satiety. You're gonna have cravings, you're gonna have chronic fatigue, you're gonna run down your thyroid, and you're gonna keep pushing it and not see those results. Or if you see them in the beginning, you're not gonna be able to sustain them. And I call this metabolic slowdown, because we start seeing that increased fat storage, that belly fat, that low energy, that burnout, and then we're on low calories, low carbs, and we don't know where to go from there. Here's the bonus tip I promised. There's something called contrast showers. Try alternating between hot and cold water at the end of your shower. And this method is great for boosting your circulation. It helps with recovery, it helps stimulate your thermoregulation system, and it keeps your metabolism active. I'm not the person that has a big house to get, one of those hot cold plunges. So this is something that I like to do. And I wanna put out a disclaimer. I am not a doctor. I'm not here to diagnose. Never take supplements or do things like this. If you have health conditions, if you're on medications, discuss with your doctor first, always. And if you're ready to put these tips in action, I got something special for you. My free smoothie ebook. It's packed with so many delicious recipes that balance your hormones, reduce bloating, crush your cravings, and support fat loss in a healthy, sustainable way for all my busy women out there. You can grab it in the link below and start using these recipes to take your results to the next level. If you try any of them out, come back, drop a comment below, let me know what your favorite one was. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed tips on fat loss, metabolism, gut health, and let me know in the comments which tip you're most excited to try first. Don't forget to grab your free smoothie guide below. I got so much free things in the description. And if you found this video helpful, make sure you check out this video here. It is gonna deep dive into everything to get you to lose that stubborn belly fat for good. So many women struggle with stubborn belly fat and chronic cravings. And what I'm gonna do for you is show you how to lose 5 to 40 pounds in a matter of 90 days, all while getting your energy back, eliminating cravings, and teaching you everything so that you have the tools for permanent fat loss. With my 90-day whole body program, I have worked with over 1,000 women, and this is the key. All of them were just like you, struggling, trying all the different diets out there, run down with a busy lifestyle, chronic cravings, so much confusion on what to eat, when to eat, the foods to eat. So what I do, we teach you everything so that you understand. With our 90-day program, not only do we customize everything to you and your metabolism, so we teach you everything. I had a client of mine tell me, she was a nurse by the way, she said, I learned more 3 weeks into your program than I have in my 20 years of being a nurse. And she also came to me, by the way, on under 900 calories, doing over an hour of cardio 7 days a week, sometimes 2 if she had the energy, that was rare. And she is now eating 400 calories more a day. She's overcome her fear of carbs. And at the same time, she is down 2 inches in her waist. So it's not about the calories in versus calories out. If you're ready to transform your body and you want the education and the tools for permanent, sustainable results, head to the description below, fill out my questionnaire. We will be setting up a call to see if we're that perfect fit for my 90-day whole body program. I am so excited, and I do want to say this one thing. A lot of us never reach our goals because when we have that moment where we get excited and we get the idea, we do not take immediate action. So if that is you and you're in this place right now, you're like, yes, I am ready, I encourage you to pause the video. If it's me, then go below and fill out that questionnaire. Then you can come back and watch the video, because 6 months from now, you're gonna be in the exact same spot, or you could be 6 months closer to reaching your goal. What is stopping you?